Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Snap layout not working. First method is click Start, Settings, click Multitasking. Turn on Snap Windows, uncheck, and check Show Snap Layouts when I hover over a Windows Maximize button. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand Explorer. Click Advanced. Open Enable Snap Assist Flyout, change value data to 1. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.